YouTube, it's AnnaMar'eeTV and we're back with another video, period. Okay, so today I'm going to finally be showing you all how I did my bathroom renovation. Well, this is not my personal bathroom, this is just like our powder room, I guess you could say. So I did my powder room renovations and I just wanted to show you all because it's like really amateur. Like, y'all, we learned everything we was doing off of YouTube, so don't judge us. But for real, like, I feel like this video would help a lot of people try to like do some renovations that are quick and easy and like will really actually change up the aura and the energy of wherever you're living. So let's get into it. All right, y'all, so I know you're gonna be asking, but we have not had the mirror installed yet, so don't ask me. All right, moving on. So first things first, we took down all the wallpaper in this room, well, in this bathroom, as you can see in like the video that I just showed before. That was like what it all used to look like. That's how we bought the house. So we took it all down and we put up paint. This is called almond butter biscuit, and I think this is honey butter, but I really like how they kind of like clash with like the accent wall. It's really cute. We did have a lot of problems in the seams of the wall, so we got these peel and stick, I guess you could say like caulking, and we put that up all around the trim. Well, yeah, this is more like the trim, but yeah, we did caulking underneath it. My mom actually made these little wall art, like poster things out of canvases. We just spray painted them and then she put on buttons that we had around the house. We did all the grout and the tile ourselves, and it's still like not completely done because the grout that we got, we didn't know it was going to be brown, first of all, and it was too thick. So we're probably going to have to redo something, figure it out. Don't mind the pink napkins. I had a graduation party, my mom used those. But yeah, we have these little stands. This little stand, we just use command strips that we painted that color. We have to cut this down still, but like I said, you know, amateur work. You know, we put up our little wall art. Another snake plant I have, if you saw my room tour video, that's my other one. So we got these from Etsy and I really like these. They're like super sturdy, and there's another one on the outlet. What else? This butterfly is from Ross, and that's about it. So, oh, the floors, we redid the floors as well. We did another peel and stick like granite floor type. I really like these floors actually. We also painted the cabinets. They're supposed to be stained like this. Like, we wanted them to look like a in and out type of brown color, if that makes sense. And we also put on new doorknobs, and that's about it. So yeah, you know, short, simple, to the point, but it definitely made a change in comparison to what we had before. So thanks for watching.